is Melissa, and I live in New York. We had gone through a couple of companies just searching for what we thought was going to be the best for our situation. My husband found LeafFilter online, and they were timely coming out to give us a quote, which was really great because our schedules are very, very busy. And when they came out, they gave us a quote. My husband pretty much made the deal instantaneously, and they showed up on time when they scheduled the appointment to come out. They did a fantastic job, cleaned up their whole mess. We're super happy with the end result of how everything looks and how they repaired some of the things that needed to be worked on. And we just love it. It was a great experience all around. And I did have one little issue, but they were fantastic with the service call. I called, they came out right away and fixed the issue that I had. And now we don't have any problems at all, which is great.